Hey everybody, so I have my cast iron skillet here. I'm just going to take my avocado oil and dress it because we're making steak and eggs for breakfast. So this is brand new. I just got this from Walmart. So I'm really just gonna dress it like I've seen on all of the videos and tutorials that I have looked up because I've never owned a cast iron skillet before. I've used them in the past, but it was not my own cast iron skillet. So I really wanted to make sure I take care of this one and do everything right by it. Now I'm gonna be taking this plastic cutting board and trimming a small piece to use for my steak preparation. Just like that. Now it's time to prepare my New York strip that I got from Trader Joe's. Very thick piece of steak. Look how nice and marbled this is. Okay. Gonna put it in here. All right, so we're gonna season the steak with some red chili flakes, paprika, some salt, and be very generous with it because a lot of it will come off in the cooking process. And I got some dill weed here. I love dill. It's one of my favorite things to cook with lately. So we're gonna just be very generous with that. And then also I have some onion powder and I'm gonna put on here. Then we're gonna flip it to the other side and I will heat up the skillet. Okay, we're gonna put our fat cap down like that and let it sear and sizzle. I've already flipped it and it's cooking beautifully. So I saw someone online make cloud eggs and I'm gonna be making them too. So here we go.
Maybe turn on that fan so the alarm for smoke. Y'all want to keep these little boxes? No, you think all your money.
Hold it. Ooh.